expecting a heck of a time because I like to party.
It's an all-inclusive resort, and you can get as much alcohol as you want.
Hello.
My wife Brandy and I recently went on an adult getaway to Punta Cana, Dominican Republic with two of our good friends.
If you're new to the channel, we make travel videos for couples and families.
In this video, we're going to show you what our experience was like arriving at Breathless Resort in Punta Cana as Exhale Club members. We're also going to show you a quick room tour of our Exhale Club Junior Suite and more. This will be the first in a series of videos we'll make of Breathless Resort, so consider subscribing to the channel if you like what you see.
We have arrived at a hotel this evening. We're gonna stay here and fly out tomorrow morning to go to Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. We're headed down there with a couple of our friends, gonna stay at Breathless Resort. We booked an Exhale VIP room. We have a pool view. What the hell is our room? I said that we make travel videos, not that we're good at it. Our room is an Exhale Junior Suite, pool view, king room. We aren't really sure what to expect out of this resort. I've gathered from a Facebook group that this might be a party hotel, and that's okay with me. I feel like we can party. Not sure we can hang, but we can party. I know our friends Matt and April, they can hang. We just have to keep up with them.
I think we need to get this vacation started out right.
I am expecting from Punta Cana a party atmosphere. I'm assuming mediocre food, nothing too extravagant. I'm expecting a heck of a time because I like to party.
It's gonna be a great time.
Whatever happens in Punta Cana stays in Punta Cana.
So I'm whooped. It's about time to call it a night. We gotta get to bed. We gotta be up so early in the morning. Tomorrow's gonna be a long travel day.
Tomorrow, we have 7 hours of traveling. We should probably hit the hay for the night.
This will be interesting. We're traveling off of a couple hours of sleep, so
Nothing's new.
super
We do
exciting.
this every time.
Well, that's true. We do. I don't know why we do this to ourselves, but we
I
do.
I hate travel days. I really do. They're stressful. I get anxious. But when you get there, it's so worth it usually.
Last flight.
Be about another 8 minutes. Thanks for your patience. We'll be underway here shortly.
When you finally do get to relax, it's so worth it. I can't wait for that feeling. So that's the feeling I'm chasing.
Seatbelt signs coming back on. Please return your seats, fasten your seatbelts to our safety park at the gate. And again, thanks for joining us today. We do appreciate the business. Hope to see you again.
I can't wait to get there. Breathless Resorts, here we come. I'm ready to party.
You get off outside, off the plane, so you can go off the back of the plane or the front of the plane, which makes things go so much faster. And it's kind of cool. You know, you're getting out from vacation and you're getting out of your airplane and you're walking outside into the 80-degree weather. Pretty awesome.
Andy!
It's so hot. You excited?
It is so warm out here.
It is so hot and beautiful. Then they send you through immigration. Immigration in the Dominican was the fastest I think we've ever had. It was very quick. It was very organized. First, you have to do like an e-ticket to get into the Dominican, and it was a pain in the butt. It took quite a while to do, so I recommend doing that prior to getting to the airport. Our friends were not aware of it, so they almost missed their flight. So I recommend looking into the e-ticket to get into the Dominican Republic. After you go through the immigration, you walk out and there's all these companies that have transportation, and someone from the airport service asks, who did you book with? And they took us directly to our Amstar representatives, and they had all of our paperwork there, and they walked us straight to our shuttle. They took our bags for us. We were taken to the shuttle and sat on an air-conditioned shuttle and waited for departure.
That was actually a really nice, smooth process.
I felt that we got in and got out of immigration pretty quickly.
Very organized.
And so far, everybody's very friendly.
The resort is 45 minutes from the airport. We didn't have any stops on the way to Breathless, so they brought us straight to Breathless and helped us off the shuttle. They already had our luggage out and they sanitized all of our bags with a spray. When you arrive and you have booked an exhale room, one of the benefits to booking this is when you arrive, they whisk you away and take you to a private, like a little lounge to wait. So that's where we would arrive and depart. We got there was a bar, there was snacks, there was pool outside, there's lots of chairs, and they get you all checked in and they get you all taken care of, and when your room's ready, they take you to your room. And our friends arrived. Matt and April arrived while we were in the lobby, and it was an exciting moment. So we had some time with them before we got to our rooms.
You guys made it.
Don't take pictures of me.
You guys are getting started, huh? They just walked in the door. what is like 3 drinks in front of both of them?
There was a little bit of hiccups along the way with this part though, and I don't think it's anybody's fault in particular. But this is the first part that I've noticed of a lack of communication. Our rooms weren't ready yet, so our concierge took us over for lunch. We went over to get lunch by the pool and came back to the lounge. We've been waiting at the Exhale Club lounge for a while. We went over and got lunch, and now we're just waiting for our room. And they feed us snacks and give us beer, so that's a win.
They have been really good about giving us drinks, like crazy.
Yeah, if you can't tell by my eyes, I've had a couple. And then they came up and said, your room is ready.
Senor, your room is ready.
So we get up, they take us to our rooms, and housekeeping's not even done with our room yet. Like, we get in our room and shut the door, and a few minutes later a housekeeper comes in to put pillowcases on our bed.
Hola, pillows.
We don't have a light bulb in one of our lights. Yeah, that was the only thing. Like, and it really honestly wasn't that big of a deal. We are very easygoing, so we just let them come in, finish their job. Just a little bit of miscommunication there. Otherwise, so far so good.
They shorted me 4 ounces of beer. 8 ounces. What's going on here?
We are going to do a room tour of the Exhale Junior Suite King room with a pool view. So you walk in the room here and there's a little hallway. Our light doesn't work. There's that. But in the first right is an orange door. This takes you to the bathroom. This is a his and hers sink with an absolutely beautiful shower. Can't wait to use it. The shower head. The rain shower head looks absolutely gorgeous. This has a light, which is kind of nice as well. There in the exhale rooms, there's a toothbrush, shampoo, body wash, lotion, full size. And then in this mystery room, there is a toilet with a bidet over here. So we need more toilet paper. We should probably call that right now. We're having issues doing this room tour.
We like to get them done on day 1 before we unpack, but it was just not our day.
In the hallway, there's one robe for one of us, not both of us. So that's gonna change because we need 2 robes. There's an umbrella, nice sized closet. If you open the other side of the closet, there is a pillow and a blanket, and then there's the safe in here, a blow dryer, ladies. There's a full size blow dryer, which is kind of nice, an iron, some slippers. And then if you turn around, on this side there is your little coffee area. There's ice, and we're not sure what this is. I'm assuming it's some kind of rum, but we're gonna find out soon. And then a little thing of Pringles, and then if you open this up,
little waters all over the place. I
yeah,
like that.
there's your little refrigerator that has some candy,
Also
water, yeah, soda, and some beer.
The essentials, beer.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, and this is supposed to be stocked daily, but we will see how that goes.
Oh, it'll be stocked good. And then in here is your wine glasses and your little glasses. So,
Battery's about to.
A maintenance guy came in and fixed our door lock. After a wardrobe change and a baby beer,
a little baby beer.
Brandy was ready to take another swing at it. Because, well, we're professionals here.
So here's the main part of the room. The staff brought in our luggage for us, which was kind of nice. This is the king size bed. Haven't tried it out yet. Seems pretty comfy. Comes with a breathless bag for the exhale rooms, kind of nice. Beautiful backsplash to the bed. Yeah, looks kind of nice in here. A little baby TV, which we don't need anything more than that. A full-size mirror, ladies. A full-size mirror. Head to toe. The door is attached to the AC system, so if you leave the door open, your AC will not turn on. So out here is your balcony. This is a pool view, so we have a nice little pool view. So this is the jacuzzi tub that we did not know we had. I'm excited about this. Yep. Oh, my phone's ringing. Someone tells me that's April. What's our room number, babe?
I don't know.
After our room tour, we met back up with our friends Matt and April.
We hadn't been to the beach yet, so we went to check it out.
It's a windy one.
Ask them. It looks like they're getting ready for a party.
It was very nice. The beach is very nice.
Club. You got our own private club?
Sure, where we first got here.
That's where we were at.
Oh, that's a private club?
That's a private club.
They shipped us off because it was private.
Or like
Yeah, like, so you know how normally you'd have to go to the lobby and check in?
Yeah.
Well,
They whisked you away in that thing.
you go there and then you can get a drink at the bar. And
It was nice. I didn't have to wait in the lobby.
Where are you going? We're trying to find some food.
Resort and spa.
We're trying to find food. There's drinks.
Cucumber gin? No, thank you. Ooh, lobster.
We went and ate at the Italian restaurant. I don't even know how to say the word. But it was good.
What is this, brandy?
I have no idea, but this is so good.
Meat.
I don't even know what I'm eating, but it's good.
Thin sliced meats, some zucchini, maybe some peppers, a couple breadsticks.
I got barbecue pizza. I made pizza in the Dominican, not right.
it looks pretty good.
Brandy's barbecue pizza came with a barbecue rib.
This is the Penny Diablo with chicken.
I mean, Dominican Republic use us.
Not bad.
I know, right?
Everyone thought the food at the Italian restaurant was pretty good. It's always weird at your first dinner at an all-inclusive resort. Every time we finish eating on the first night, we all just sit there, waiting for our bill. That never arrives.
And then we remember, it's an all-inclusive. We don't have to pay. So we left a tip and then ran back to our room real quick. See you in a minute. Bye.
We got to the room and I'm starting to realize the drinks, lack of sleep, and travel is starting to get to Brandy.
We went to the French cuisine restaurant this evening. And we each got like our little own French cuisine. We're not foodies, but I can tell you that the French cuisine restaurant here at the Breathless Resort was pretty good.
We went to the Italian.
Oh, what did I say?
French. There is a French though. You don't even know where you were.
The Italian restaurant?
Yeah, we tried to get into the French restaurant at first, but it wasn't open that night, so we went to the Italian. So that's where that's all about. And
I like to party. The Italian restaurant, it was delicious. My pizza, on point. And then we went to the White Party. And that was so fun. It was one giant beach party. There was staff, I'm assuming it's their entertainment staff, that was dancing out in the sand, and they had like a little performance and a DJ. we had a great time down there. At least April and I did. I'm assuming the guys did too. I don't know. April and I like kind of walked away and kind of went and danced at the party. It was a very windy night, but we had a great time last night. But our first night at Breathless was not over yet. We still had to test out the jacuzzi. I'm tired. I have a jacuzzi tub that I'm filling up because I just feel like I need to fill it up tonight. The tub lights up. I accidentally hit the tub button and found out that it lights up.
Pro tip, learn how to use your jacuzzi tub before you get shit-faced. Brandy filled it up with cold water thinking there was no warm water.
Yeah.
But once she figured it out though, that water was hot.
I wasn't gonna fill it up, but I decided I felt like I should because I feel like it's like a mandatory thing. It's a huge tub. I mean, it's been filling up for like 15 minutes. It's a travel day and I'm so tired.
Usually the first day we get there, we'll get to the resort. We haven't had much to eat because we've been traveling all day. We have connecting flights.
Hello.
Then the drinks come because we're excited and the drinks just keep coming. We hit it hard. But by day 2, we're acclimated. Well, probably day 3 we're acclimated, right?
Yeah, we had a great time last night. So I am looking forward to the next several days. We are here for 5 days, I think. So